Jen, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing a skincare brand called HoneySkin. They sent me this wonderful Back to Beauty kit that they have up on their website right now. So I'll be giving you guys my real reaction and real review on the products here. But I also wanted to share some facts about how great New Zealand Manuka honey is. So grab your cup of tea, sit back and get ready for this one because there's a lot of information. Before we get started, if you guys like natural beauty products and reviews, you can also check out my blog at growwithjen.com where I do a little bit more of a deep dive explainer on the products that I use and review. So go check out my website and subscribe to my blog as well. All right, let's get started. So let's talk a little bit about HoneySkin and what this skincare brand is all about. The founders actually worked in the industry for many years and they were just really tired of seeing additives and just unnecessary chemicals going into beauty products and skincare products. And so they branched out and created this line called HoneySkin. It's all organic, all natural, cruelty-free, and ethically harvested. And the best thing about their line is that all of their products include Manuka honey and aloe vera. Now, Manuka honey is harvested from Manuka trees that are indigenous to New Zealand, and these trees only flower about 6 to 8 weeks out of the year. So there's a very small window of opportunity for the bees to pollinate and, make this honey from these trees. And that's why you'll find that Manuka honey products are more expensive because it's just more rare. Now on to some benefits of Manuka honey. It's been scientifically tested and proven that Manuka honey itself has a higher potency in terms of being an antibacterial. It prevents bacteria from growing. It's an anti-inflammatory. It's great for wounds and scars. So that means it's also really great for skin because it helps to repair your skin. It helps to minimize dullness and redness in your skin and gives it more of a shine. Now, with the HoneySkin Back to Beauty kit, I'm actually quite impressed by the size of all the products that you receive. The HoneySkin Face and Body Cleanser, this one right over here, is 16 full ounces. That is a full bottle of wash. It is pH balanced, sulfate and paraben free, cruelty free. The first ingredient listed here is aloe vera, and it also contains the Manuka honey along with some orange oil as well as coconut oil. Next up, I have the Face Embodied Microdermabrasion, and this product is hydrating, nourishing, and restoring. I love exfoliating products because I have dry skin, and this one has ground up walnut shells, and that helps with the exfoliation. And my husband can attest to this. He also has ground walnut shell like hand cleaner for when he does auto mechanic work on his cars. So I can definitely say those work. Next up is the Ultimate Face and Body Cream. This one says to apply small amount 2 to 3 times daily. I wonder if this can be used as a daily moisturizer. I'm gonna just smell this. It says that it's fragrance free on the back right there. You can detect a really subtle honey, or I guess like herbally scent that's a little bit sweet, but it's definitely not overpowering. And I did try some on my face earlier today and it smells clinical. It's fragrance free, but it smells clinical. Next up we have the Nano Serum. Little pump bottle there, and this one says to apply a small amount twice daily. And then last but not least, we have the BioPure Body Oil, and I am so excited about this one because I have stretch marks on my butt, on my thighs, and I'm really interested to see if this will help minimize the appearance of stretch marks. I also have so many bug bites from this summer living in Texas, and so I actually wonder if this will help with minimizing those scars, possibly hiding some of them. I don't know if they'll actually go away, but if this will help to minimize the look of them, maybe shrink them a little bit, and just help with the discoloration, that would be really fantastic. It does say visibly improves skin tone, scars, and stretch marks. So this is one that I should probably try for a extended period and see if it works. Let me know if you are also interested in seeing the BioPure oil at work. Leave me a comment down below if you have seen success using body oil products like this HoneySkin BioPure. I would love to know. Alright friends, so that is what I got from HoneySkins. And just an FYI, this Back to Beauty bundle is $56 on their website right now. Free shipping on orders over $50 in the US. So go and grab it. I think it's such a great value because you get full-size quantities of their product. And as I said earlier in the video, you can check out my blog at growwithjen.com for more specifics on this line and these products. I love making review videos like this, so don't forget to like and share this content. And I will see you guys in the next video. Keep on growing and glowing. Bye!